Hi, it's B here, just coming to you to show you how to clear your browser cache. So it doesn't matter what browser you're using, they all allow you to clear the cache in some way or form. Whether you're using Firefox, Chrome, Edge, there's one called Opera, there's lots of them. There's new ones always coming out, and Safari, whichever one you use. So at the moment we're in Firefox. So the way I clear it in Firefox is to go here to the options, and on options cogwheel I just click the options where it says privacy and security. There's cookies and site data. You can choose clear data. You can clear all the cookies and site data, or you can clear the cached web content. It's the cached web content that you want to clear. So I'm going to untick the cookies and clear everything. And that's it, it's done. Then you close your browser. So that's the important part. You've got to close your browser for it to take effect. So here then I've got a Google Chrome browser. But this one is slightly different. It's a little bit easier. So when you click on the settings, they actually have under more tools here, clear browsing data. And it's a Control Shift and Delete. So you can use that as a shortcut, Control Shift and Delete. And again, when you do that, it brings this up. So it brings up, clear your browsing history, your cookies and other site data, and your cached images and files. You can tick or untick what you need, and just press clear. That's all there is to it, and then close it. I do also have Edge, the new Edge. So I'll just open that, and I think they're pretty much the same. You need to go to settings, or possibly more tools. Settings. It'll be in settings somewhere, privacy and services, clear browsing data, and then choose what to clear. So you can do it in the last hour, you can do it in the last 24 hours, you can do it for all time. So if you clear all time, you can leave your browsing history, you can leave your download history, you can leave your cookies if you want, but if you want to clear cached images, so you just need to untick what you don't want to clear and then press clear now. And then that's it for Edge. So very simple. I hope that helps you, and that yes, you keep getting better and better at your tech all the time. I'm signing off now. Take care. Be kind to one another. Bye.